how I just want to show you what the Fidia dashboard looks like and a couple of interesting things you can do here. I'm on my dashboard. The first thing you see is websites because that's the first action we want you to take on Fidia. Websites is where you can create your mini website. You could have done this with the AI builder on the landing page, but we've done this. So just click on new site if you want to add the website, enter the site name, the URL, continue. You have payments. We have a bunch of tools for payments. You have bookings in case you want to people to pay for your time. Um, Bookings is a very simple way to do that. You can see a bunch of bookings listed out here. You could share, you could look at one. That's not what today is about. We have products, and we have a very diverse range of products, from physical products that you will sell to digital products to tickets to subscriptions, access links, and whatnot. We have a diverse range. You could create discount codes for your products in case you're running a campaign, a discount campaign or a Black Friday of some sort. You could create that on Fidia, add a new product, and you will see the different types of products we have. But this is discount code. So let's create a discount code. You can apply it to all your products if you like, or a single product. We have products here, creating new products, and like I said, there's a diverse range of options depending on your use case. We have pay links, which are basically payment links that work in very unique ways. You have the first one, which is a tip jar for people to donate to you. Second one is basically a pay link where you can set payment parameters based on your preference. If say you want, for example, a tip jar is where you accept donations. A pay link is where people can pay you for services. People can pay you for stuff. You just instead of sending them a product link, you just send them a pay link and they pay it to you. It can be recurring, it can be one time, put a fixed amount, or accept to pay a custom amount, whatever works for you. So this just depends on your use case. So yeah, that's the pay link. Next we have invoices. Very easy to use for people that do contract work, freelancers. You could create a free invoice and customize it to your taste. Depending on who you are, you could customize it to your taste. It looks like this. Then we have payouts, which is where you withdraw money. Just need to add your bank number and your bank account number and your bank name, and you'll be good. And you can just withdraw funds. So then the last thing, which is like why quite important, is customer list. We have customers, which is basically where you can see the list of people that have if bought products from you. In case you add a mailing list on your website and collect emails, you can view the emails here. You can export any of these lists to CSV and send them messages in your preferred email app. Something that's coming soon is that you'll be able to send them emails and even WhatsApp messages directly from your Fidia dashboard. So yeah, that's about how the Fidia dashboard works. Cheers.